Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. So today we're using some chow mein, kind of like those yakisoba noodles that you would get from the dollar store. You know, they're probably a few cents. And we're basically going to pimp them out, kind of like we did the cup of noodles, which I will link below, because if you're on a budget or anything, you can still eat this stuff and make it fun. So this one I believe is chicken flavor. And it has some vegetables down there in the bottom. I had to look for them. But I'm going to follow the directions, which was to put some water in there and cook it for 5 minutes. And then after that, you add this little sauce packet there. And I had some vegetables, some celery leaves, some carrots, red onion, mushrooms, and green bell pepper. And while this thing is piping hot, I'm just going to toss it around. It's going to help, soften up the vegetables just a little bit, but still keep that crunch. Because when I eat these noodles or ramen, they don't really have much texture. So the vegetables still pretty much being raw will help give you that crunch. So I'm also going to take an egg, a raw egg, and I'm going to toss that in there because, like I've said before, the egg yolk actually coats the noodles and makes it creamy, right? It's a little secret from me to you. So because the noodles are really hot, it's going to cook the egg. So it's not like the egg's going to be completely raw in there. But you can cook your egg if you like. I'm just going to let that sit for a minute or two, and then after I do that, oh boy, yum. You can add sriracha to this or any other kind of seasonings you like, and we're just gonna give it a quick taste. We have to do this. We have to taste. I'm all about these mini mukbangs in this video, so let me know if you like these, and let me know if you like these short videos. I'm trying to give you guys more videos a week, so make sure that you guys leave me some comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button beside the subscribe button, which will give you notifications of when I post. Check the description box below, and all my social media links will be down there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.